Hola chicos, ya sé que hace mucho no he hecho un video y realmente es porque he estado haciendo mucha tarea y ha sido muy complicado. Esta vez no va a ser un gameplay ni nada, va a ser una video reacción. Bueno, en este caso es un audio reacción, porque pues es un audio que te mete al concepto, ¿no? Por un decir, este se trata de una barbería. Y tú escuchas todos los sonidos, escuchas todo y para eso se recomienda ponerse audífonos. Porque no se aprecia el sonido, no se aprecia todo de la misma forma sin ellos. Así que traten de usar audífonos para que no escuchen nada más en su casa, que realmente se metan en esto. Y pues vamos a ver qué tal nos va. Espero no de miedo. Ay, por cierto, voy a tener los ojos cerrados porque realmente quiero sentirme ahí, o sea, no quiero perder detalle. Entonces, ahí vamos.
Oh, hello there. How are you? Yes. You are here for the virtual haircut? Mm-hmm. Yes, okay. I will go get Luigi. He will come and cut your hair. I am Manuel. Just stay right there.
Okay.
Luigi.
Luigi.
Luigi. Luigi. It's Manuel here. The person is here for your virtual haircut. You better come up.
Grazie, Manuel. I come right now.
Okay. He is coming up right now, and meanwhile I will go over here and play the music, play the guitar, because that is what I do here at the barber shop.
No, él solo toca la guitarra, entonces. Wow.
It's so nice to see you.
Luigi.
Welcome to the Starkey Cetera Barbershop and your virtual haircut. I'd like to start the demonstration by moving over to your right-hand side and picking up this bag. If you just hold still for a second, I'll put this bag over your head. Just like that. The bag over the top of the head. And now I'll take the bag off. There we go. The only reason I did that is because all of the fancy barbershops do that. What you're listening to as I move off to your right here and very quickly wash my hands. Manuel, could you get that, please?
Yes.
Oh, thank you, Manuel. Let me finish washing my hands here. Just bear with me for a few more seconds. There we go. Yes. As I was saying, all we are doing is using your head as the listening point. And we have two microphones, one on either side of the head, in the same position as where your left and your right ears are. Your brain is doing all of the work, telling you where the sounds are coming from. Okay, I'll go get the scissors.
No me gustan las tijeras.
It's nice and sharp. Now, as I begin the clipping, I bring the clippers closer to your ear. Very close to the right ear. Follow me as I move around the back of the head to the left ear. And up and over the top of the head. Okay. Now, you can get the same effect better with the electric razor. I'll first bring it close to your right ear. Is it perfect? And around the back. And onto your left. Yes. I think that looks wonderful.
Siento que me va a cortar.
What do you think?
Huh? What? Oh, yes. It looks wonderful, Luigi. You do such nice work.
Thank you so much, Manuel.
So fast, too.
Now, as I walk around, I just want to tell you once more that your ability to hear where I am as I walk around the room is simply the amazing power of your brain. Calculating the tiny differences or cues in sound intensity and arrival time from two open ears. And unlike any other hearing instrument, only one has the digital algorithm that negates its own physical presence in the ear to fully restore those differences. That algorithm is called sit down. Well, thank you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Starkey Virtual Barbershop. Goodbye and arrivederci.
Me caí de la silla. Oh, por Dios. Wow. Estuvo muy, muy bueno, en serio. Lo escuché aquí, o sea, en serio me asustó. Wow, esto estuvo muy, muy bien hecho. Debo decir que quedé impresionada con el buen trabajo de ese video, y me gusta lo que está explicando. O sea, que el cerebro es demasiado inteligente y sabe dónde están las cosas aún sin poderlas ver. Esta video reacción, en realidad no me esperaba que fuera tan... No me suelo asustar de cualquier cosa, pero sí, cuando no me espero las cosas, siempre, siempre me sorprendo. Entonces, wow. Bueno, es un video corto realmente, pero me gustó bastante y me divertí, a pesar de que salí volando de la silla, pero espero que les haya gustado. Gracias, chicos. Bye.
There's a dream upon the tree. Maybe that's my fault.